sometimes under.
All right, guys, welcome back to the form series. The next exercise that I'm gonna walk you through is a squat. So the reason why we wanna do squats is because it helps us with our day-to-day activities, like literally standing up and sitting down, okay? Which is something that we do all day long. You know, think about when you're bending to lift a heavy object, right? And it's the whole thing about like, don't use your back, use your legs. So it's really important that we have good squat form for those kinds of activities when we're gonna be bending and lifting something heavy. So that in mind, I wanna show you guys how to do a proper squat, keeping in mind that everybody's hips are slightly different and you're gonna have a different range of motion when it comes to the tightness of your hips. With a basic squat, what you're gonna do is you're gonna stand nice and tall. Your feet are gonna be slightly wider than hip distance apart, okay? You need to be a little bit wider to get a good squat, all right? You're gonna brace that core. As always, you're gonna roll your shoulders up, back, and down. And your feet are gonna turn slightly outward, like to the corners of the room. So like they're at like a 15-degree angle. They're pointing slightly out. Bring your hands out in front just to give yourself some balance, okay? Because you're gonna be sitting backwards. So have your hands out here to give yourself a little extra balance. And you're gonna slowly lower yourself down. Your knees are gonna go in line with your toes, okay? And you're gonna be sitting your bum back. That's the idea. And then you're gonna push through those heels to come back up, okay? So let's do that movement one more time. We're gonna take it down super slowly, knees in line with toes, bum sits back like you're sitting in a chair. Okay, and you're gonna get as low as you can here, and then you're gonna push through those heels and come on back up to standing. And when you get to standing, clench your glutes, tighten your butt, okay? Get a little extra kick there, okay? That's a basic squat movement. Now that for everybody is not gonna be possible because the range of motion required to get that low might not be good for you. So maybe for you, a squat looks like about a half squat. Maybe it's coming down to like here, okay? So it's like halfway, totally fine. It's all good. You can build up to like a full squat. So don't feel bad if you can't get lower. Just remember to push through those heels as you come back up and engage those glutes, okay? So I'll show you from the side what this is gonna look like. So I'm gonna brace my core, feet slightly wider than hip distance apart. I'm gonna tighten my belly, shoulders up, back, and down. Bring my hands out in front for some balance. You can clench them, put them in a prayer pose, whatever feels comfortable, okay? And then I'm gonna slowly lower down into that squat. Knees are in line with my toes. Bum comes down towards the floor, and then come on back up nice and tall, okay? One more time. My feet are actually gonna be a little bit wider for this one. Here we go. I'm gonna come all the way down. Try to get my bum as low as possible, sitting in a chair, and then all the way back up, okay? That's your proper squat form, just here. Lower down and up. And maybe for you, that's just here, lower to here and up, totally fine, okay? That's all good. That's pretty much it for a squat. Feel free to hit me up in the comments if you guys have any thoughts. You know, let me know how that works for you. I'm always interested to hear about other people's form when it comes to squats or challenges. So feel free to drop me a line. I'm always happy to get back to you. I'll see you here for the next one. Bye.